The world is transforming digitally at an accelerated rate. And when it comes to businesses, having your team, solutions, and plans work together efficiently can make all the difference with your investment in technology. Imagine, if you will, the cloud as a grand orchestra. Each team member a highly trained musician. Each solution a finely tuned instrument. Each note your plan. Each component playing their part in perfect harmony. And with the right cloud and IT infrastructure solutions, these components all come together to enhance the performance of businesses by improving resilience, fostering collaboration, and deepening customer engagement. This also allows for companies that successfully implement a cloud-first strategy to scale to new heights, unlock new revenue streams, and respond with precision to customer needs. Ricoh's ensemble of robust IT solutions, comprehensive global IT infrastructure, and technical experts work in tandem to keep your business performance at pace with the latest developments. Whether it be cloud and IT infrastructure, network and internet, backup and data protection, managed IT and cybersecurity, or technology as a service, let us be a part of your symphony so you can focus on what matters most. Conducting your business with ease, peace of mind, and confidence. Let's move forward together.